Oh, I thought you guys were expecting Cinema Dan. I know. Blue Denim. Go figure. Hey guys, what up? Master Ninja here coming at you live and loud. Today we got an unboxing for you. That's right. I know we've been doing some unboxings on this channel, but you know what? I feel like there should be one more unboxing. Today we are unboxing Pokemon. Woo! Scarlet and Violet double pack and a single release. Let's see what the difference between the single release and the double pack is. Theme song. Alrighty, start off with, when you pre-order the double pack, you get these lovely little pins here. So, hey, you got pins. Hey-o. So, which one should we start off with? The double pack or the single release? Ooh, a lot of choices. Yeah, let's do the single release first. Oh, great. I need my knife. So you still got my knife. Did you leave it in your van? You pain. I need something to open this with. Well, at least just get started. Got it. Alright. Let's crack this bad boy open. Ooh, that new Nintendo Switch game smell. It's just radiating off this. Alrighty. So the main game itself looks nice. The back, the side, front, under. And inside we get a nice picture of the region we're going to. Like usual. So with that said, that is the basic release. Now let's see what we get in the double pack.
Spoon?
Spoon. Got it. Alright, let's pull the tape up just a little bit. So the back is the exact same from the previous pack. But in this pack it comes with Scarlet, Violet, and 200 extra Pokeballs! Is it worth it? Is it not? I don't know. Let's find out. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Oh. So the double pack. So does it come with like a special edition case or anything like that? No, it does not. Just come with two of the game, the exact same two games. Those are the codes. I don't want you guys to snag. So we already opened up this case. We know what this looks like. So let's go ahead, open this guy all the Violet. Violet, exact same inside, so we don't got no underground or anything like that. Exact same back. Backs, these two cases are almost exactly the same except for the front of the box. So, is it worth to pick up the double pack? Honestly, if you want both copies and you got a friend you know who's going to play it, yeah, go ahead. But if you just want one copy, just go with the single pack. 200 extra Pokeballs I don't think is worth it. Let me get my final thoughts. So, is a double pack worth a single release? Depends. If you want both copies, yes. It's a convenient way to get both copies If you just want to get one game, go right ahead. Personally, I wish they give this like a special edition, like a steel case to go with it. But no. Just coins. So with that said, this has been the Masked Ninja. Sign off until next time. Thanks for joining me on this double pack unboxing. Peace.